Third grade worksheet lesson 6. Find two equivalent sets for each. List the coins and bills. Number 1. We have $5.03. We can divide this amount into one $5 bill plus 3 cents or 3 pennies, because one $5 bill is equal to $5, and what we have remaining is 3 cents, and that could be represented as 3 pennies. Our second way to do this is to have 5 $1 bills plus 3 pennies, and these two are equal to the same amount, so they're both correct. Okay. Number 2, $8.04. So we can first take a one $5 bill. So that gives us $3.04. We can take the dollars off by getting 3 $1 bills. And then the rest is just 4 cents, so that's 4 pennies. Another way you can do it is by getting 8 $1 bills. And that'll give us just 4 cents remaining, so 4 pennies. Let's go on to the next section. Use less than or greater than to compare the amounts of money. So for the first row, we have $1 bill plus 1 quarter. 1 quarter is 25 cents, so our total here is $1.25. On the second side, we have $1 plus 2 dimes, so that's equal to 0.20, and 1 nickel, which is equal to 5 cents, and that equals $1.25. So they're equal, and that means we put an equal sign in the middle column. Let's move on to the next row. We have $1, or actually we can put the equal sign right here. So for the second row, we have $1 and 1 nickel, so this is equal to $1.05. On the second side, we have 2 quarters, so 0.25 plus 0.25 is 0.5, so we have 50 cents plus, looks like 5 dimes, so that's also equal to 50 cents. And when you add them up, equals $1. Since $1.05 is greater than $1, we put a greater than symbol. Let's put it here. To the last row. On the side we have $1 plus 1 quarter, which is 25 cents. 1 dime, which is equal to 10 cents. And 2 nickels, which are equal to 10 cents, because each one is equal to 5 cents. And that equals $1.45. On the second side, we have $1 plus 5 dimes. That's equal to 50 cents, as we said earlier. And that's equal to $1.50. So this side is less than this side, so we put a less than symbol, and we're done for this section. Find the sum or difference and estimate to check. So you might want to rewrite this so that the first number is on top and the second number on the bottom. Make sure you align your decimal places. And then we add them up. So 9 plus 6 is 5, or 15. We carry the 1 over. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Again, we carry the 1 over. Make sure to add the decimal place. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18. So we put an 8 and carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So our answer is $78.55. And we can check our answer by rounding this to the nearest dollar. So 49.99, the nearest dollar is $50. then 28.56, the nearest dollar is $29 because the 5 is rounds up, and that's equal to 79. So the rounded answer is close to our actual answer, so our actual answer must be correct. So number 2, $100 minus $68.25. So again, we put the first number on top, 100.00 minus 68.25. Again, remember to align the decimal places. 0 minus 5, we can't do that, so we have to borrow a 10 from the next place. This becomes a 9, this also becomes a 9, and this also becomes a 9, and this becomes a 0. So we have a 10 here. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Add the decimal place. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. So our answer is $31.75. And we can estimate this by rounding 68 to the nearest dollar. So that would be $68. So, oops. So we have $100 minus $68, and that's going to be equal to $32. And our estimate is close to our actual answer, so our actual answer should be correct. Let's do the word problems. Number 1, Ava has 5 nickels and Ben has 50 pennies. Who has more money and how much more? So an easy way to do this is to convert the amount of nickels into pennies. So each nickel is equal to 10 cents. 10 cents, and that's the symbol for cents. Since she has 5 nickels, we have to multiply this by 5. So that means Ava has 50 cents. Ben has 50 pennies, which is just the same as cents. So they have the same amount of money. So you would write Ava and Ben have the same amount of money. Number 2, Lucy has $5. She buys a snack for $2.75. How much money does Lucy have left after buying the snack? So we have to subtract 2.75 minus 5, or from 5. And the way you can do that is put the 5 on top and put a 2.75. Now, if you have a number that doesn't have a decimal place, it always has an invisible one, like that. So $5 is equal to 5.00. And simply subtract those. So 0 minus 5, we can't do that, so we have to borrow a 10. This becomes a 9, and this becomes a 4. So we have 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down the decimal place. And you can tell that Lucy has $2.25 left.